Maori and hello. My name is Lulu DeBoer, and I'm the director and producer of the documentary film Millennium Island. Now, if you've seen my last 3 videos, you'll know that Millennium Island is a documentary about climate change adaptation in the small country of Kiribati in the South Pacific. And you might also remember that this was supposed to be a personal documentary, which brings me to question number 4. What makes Millennium Island personal? But throughout this process, I feel like I've failed to really introduce myself. My full name is Kairuru Catherine DeBoer Kalifi Chiariki, and I'm half Kiribati. So you can imagine that when I was a young girl, growing up in a small town in rural East Texas called Gilmer, that I faced a lot of opposing views about climate change. I used to get into these huge arguments with my high school teachers, simply because they didn't believe that climate change existed or was man-made at all. And I thought to myself at that time that I must make this climate change documentary, and it will spew out all of the facts and all of the science, and no one can disagree. I was wrong and naive. I came to this point where I realized the facts don't really matter for people, and they won't cause people to change their behavior. That I needed something more. That I needed a story about human beings, about human emotions, and to make it a relatable experience. And after figuring that out during my college years, I realized there was no better alternative than to use myself and my family as characters in this adaptation story. So that's what makes Millennium Island personal. It's because I'm in it. And for all of the awkwardness and all of the sort of metaphysical distance that I have to create for myself through this project, I still feel pretty good about it. I'm really hoping to be able to make myself as vulnerable as possible during this entire journey. And I'm earnestly excited to share it with you. Even though this might be the last question number 4, it's really just the beginning of what I'm going to start calling updates. So I'll be bringing you up-to-date information every week on how Millennium Island, the documentary, is doing, what sort of trials and struggles I've gone through as a producer and director, what sort of weird inner turmoil I have as a subject matter, as well as what cool new things are happening. So I'm optimistic, and I'm so thankful that all of you have taken the time to support me by liking my Facebook page and for liking my YouTube page and just for watching these crazy videos that I make. But I really do appreciate any feedback. Come on, just lay it on me. Just all the feedback everywhere. Make sure to subscribe and do all these things. Just that way I can follow you forever. I hope this has been enough of a video thing for the internet. Please like my video. I will play you a song if you like my video. I don't think I'm gonna get 25 likes on this video. Okay, if you are the 25th person to like this on my Facebook page, I will sing you a song. Because I'm shamelessly promoting my movie. I will sing you a song. I will sing you a song if you like my movie. I really kind of don't know what else to do to incentivize you guys to like my stuff. I guess this was what it means to be an online personality. You just talk to the camera and nobody answers. You're yelling into the darkness of the internet and nobody responds. I know that I'm sleeping 'cause the street's too amazing. She's got gold doorknobs where her eyes used to be, and one turn and I learned what it really means. Ooh, this self-documentation thing is very strange. I am seriously hoping though that out of all of this, the Facebook page will become a documentation of the documentary about climate change. So it's a meta document.